If you're looking to run sprints without relying on traditional Scrum tools, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to effectively manage sprints without needing complex software, so you can stay agile and focused, even if you're not using the most popular Scrum tools out there. To start, let's talk about what you can use instead. First, it's all about simplicity and clarity. No need for a big platform with endless features. You can manage your sprints with a simple project management app, a shared document, or even just a basic spreadsheet. These can help you keep track of tasks, deadlines, and priorities without the complexity of a full Scrum framework. The key is to break your sprint down into clear, manageable tasks. Start by identifying the top goals you want to achieve in your sprint and assign each goal a specific, measurable outcome. For example, instead of saying improve the website, try redesign the homepage to increase engagement by 10%. Clear goals give you direction and purpose, and without the noise of too many tools, you can stay focused on what matters. Now, let's talk about tracking progress. In traditional Scrum tools, you'll often see a board with tasks moving from to do to in progress to done. You can replicate this process with a simple to-do list or spreadsheet. Just create columns for each stage: to do, in progress, and done. As tasks move forward, update their status in your list. It's that easy, and you'll always know where everything stands. Next, communication. Scrum usually promotes constant communication between team members, but this doesn't mean you need a fancy platform for updates. Use something as simple as a shared Slack channel or even daily stand-ups in a quick Zoom call. Keep it short and keep it focused. This method can work wonders in keeping everyone aligned without the clutter. If you're really set on tracking detailed metrics or prioritizing more complex sprints, there's always the option to use a software tool to make the process even smoother. I've tried many popular tools myself, and there's one I recommend for its simplicity and efficiency. It offers a free trial exclusively for viewers of my channel. So check the link in the description below to follow along with me and start running sprints in your own way. Lastly, review your sprint at the end. Whether you're using traditional tools or a simpler setup, always take time at the end of each sprint to assess what worked, what didn't, and what can be improved for the next cycle. This quick reflection can keep your team on track and make each sprint more efficient. To wrap up, here's your key takeaway. You can absolutely run sprints without traditional Scrum tools by focusing on simplicity, tracking progress with basic tools like lists or spreadsheets, and ensuring consistent communication. It's all about getting the core Scrum principles right without getting bogged down by overly complex systems. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the software I recommend, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's a great way to simplify your sprint management while getting the job done. Thanks for watching.